So hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you are a newcomer, thank you guys so much for joining this video. And today I'm going to react to the chosen one from Ukraine, Eurovision 2025. Ziferblat with the song Vidbir. I don't think that people really like this one, but let's just get it. It's so really beautiful. Well, it's with the weird heart, but this song was, I wasn't expecting it's gonna be like this. Can I stop for a second? I don't want to say that I don't like this, but I really don't like this song. It's just the female vocal in here doing really well, and I thought it's gonna be a really beautiful song, but it's not. This is from the anime music. Oh. The female vocal really good. I mean, talking about the song, it wasn't. I don't want to say it was not good, but I have no feeling with this song beside the female vocal singing like something about. Wait, it is a group, right? Ziferblat is a group. I mean, talking about the song, it wasn't. I'm not really into this song. I want to listen to the rest of the song. How many songs? 10 songs. Okay, let me listen to the second place. Masha Molodi.
Do you remember the last time you slept at home? You feel alone, it's best and there's no plan. But now you're stronger, got to make you older. Dive into the sea wave.
This is really totally different to the winner, because one is really dark and rock, one is really bright and beautiful.
Feeling that your soul is kicking up a party and a breezy deep. More you satisfies me, till you party, when the more you you'll see your light.
You know why I like this than the winner song?
But only if your soul is full.
But his voice is not really stable. He crack a lot.
Moim sercu zawsze tylko moje more, more.
Well, this is better, but he was cracking a lot of time. So it's really ruined this song. Let me make the music video for it. Wait, this is a group, 2 people. And I just only saw 2. Wait, the drummer. Sorry, the drummer. Talk about this. I feel like this is better than the winner. It's just for me. I just think about it. What the what the public is really choosing this song to be the winner. So I think that this is their chosen. So I appreciate for. The song is really beautiful, but it's just not into me. I don't feel anything about it. I'm so sorry. Let me listen to the third place. No Time to Cry.
Плаче край вікна, тихо грають діти.
This is really Eurovision Ukraine.
Sweetest friend with pain, it's my I know shadows slowly creeping, helpless, dull in the cruel what I fear.
This is my winner of Ukraine 2025 song that chosen for the Eurovision. You wasted this song. This is gonna get you guys being in top 10, and I know that the televote will be high because people really support you guys in Ukraine, but this song gonna receive a lot of points from the jury. People will love this, but you just wasted the potential to be in top 10 for me. So what was with the baby?
Please feel my heart inside.
It's kind of flat at the end, but still really good. No Time to Cry, the wind is howling, weeping by the window. The children play quietly, the night is so sad. I was one, a child delight, sweet friend with the pain, this smile. Swinging on my string, trying to fly, living in a world that was so alive. I know shadows slowly creeping, helpless dawn in a cruel world fear. All eyes on dreams, I may never have a choice to break my mute voice. The wind is howling. Okay, it just repeat again. Time to cry, no time to cry. Time to cry, no time to cry. What? I grow tired of a battle fired. On these milk and water faces, hot and cold embrace. If you had a song, then I'll find mine. No time to cry. I know you don't understand me. On a strain it takes me to be real. All eyes on a dream, don't no more. I want my fight. Please feel my heart inside. Then the lyric is cool. And talk about this lyric, come me as well. My little bird, a heavy song is lifted high by wings. My sweetheart, my love, don't worry. Fate has entrusted the world to the last of us. I'm looking for the light. I cross the mountains, and I call you. Fly bird, I'm begging you, please just live, share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird break. Go back home, my native park. The singing of migrating birds will bird spring. I call you. I kind of don't like this one too much, and he really need to practice more on his vocal because he was the winner, you guys. So you have to be perfect at everything. Right now, the lead vocal is not really on point, like good. There's some crack, there's some strained voice in there, and the best thing about this one is the female vocal, the oh, it's really good. So I don't know, just right now, good luck to you, Ukraine, and good luck to you, Ziferblat, with the song Birthday. I am not really a huge fan of this song, but this is what Ukrainian people chosen this to be in the final show, so I appreciate for it, and I think that this is gonna get into the final show because it's really beautiful. Yeah, the stage will be really beautiful, you guys. So right now, just good luck to you, Ukraine, and good luck to you, Ziferblat, with some birthday. I hope you're gonna receive the best result, or maybe the winner this year. But first of all, get into the final show. Yeah, that's all I think I want to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys gonna have a good day maybe after watching this video. And remember to leave in your comments. Subscribe if you actually want to see more of my new videos. So bye.